It's the oldest and deepest lake on Earth, Lake Baikal. For 3 months of the year, it's locked under a layer of ice up to 2 meters thick. But this beauty is created by a brutal reality. This pup is alone. Its mother is away hunting for food. And the sun rises higher in the sky. $30 billion tons of ice start to melt. The pup is stranded, alone. Mothers recognize the cries of their young. She must help it to swim away from its birthplace. Adult seals can stay under the ice for half an hour, but pups can only hold their breath for a matter of minutes. There is no air hole in sight. Now, the mother does something remarkable. She stops swimming and appears to start blowing bubbles, which merge to create an air pocket, just big enough to allow the pup to take a breath. But it may be that it enables the pups with their tiny lungs to swim between air holes, and so reach part of the lake that is ice-free.